What's up, YouTube? So I wanted to show you a few things on the Go Kart. Also, I just got this light put up on my workbench and an outlet, so that's cool. But mainly I wanted to show you the floor of the Go Kart. It's real quick before the oil drains out. I took out the floor right there because it was vibrating against the frame, and I don't have a welder yet, so I wanted to do that. Next, I'll be painting it, but it is raining outside, so the humidity will not allow it to the paint to stick properly. I also don't know if you've seen this, but I added this pad right here because whenever you're riding it, your hip used to just keep banging and banging and banging against this bar, and it get sore after a while. If you want to know how to do it, check out my video on how to make a custom go-kart seat. The link will be in the description. Also, if you see right here, the air filter adapter and air filter are off, so what I'm going to be doing is getting like a 90-degree L bracket that's going to come up here and allow the air filter to be right here. So first of all, act as like a mini snorkel, but the main reason is to get the tire to not whip up mud and dirt and stuff right up into the air filter that's normally right there. So I also want to give a shout out to Etard Adventures. He's a cool channel, you should check him out. Bubbzification, Fan 1701, David Johnson, Tractor 5474, Cooters Carport, and Drive It, Break It, Fix It, Sree's Nature Clips, and Will's Variety Channel. All the links will be down in the description. There are also some other people who really support my channel, and I shouted them out in my last video, but it would take forever to shout everybody out. But I really want to thank everybody that supports my channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment.